What's up, y'all? We're back once again with an unboxing, this time around from Heroes and Villains. I ordered from them once before. I got a beanie for myself and then a purse / sling bag for my girlfriend. This time around, they're both for me, and I'm getting joggers and a backpack. Probably assume what it is if you know what I like, if you know what that side is. But if you don't, it's the 332 backpack and the Wakanda Joggers. So the 332 backpack is Ahsoka's Clone Force group when they well, helped out Mandalore, I guess you could say, not invade. But yeah, so I got to get that backpack. I wanted it for a while since I actually saw it, but I always like Ahsoka, she's one of my favorites, so I wanted to be part of her clone, her troops, you know? So let's get to opening it. And the Wakanda one, I thought it might be pretty good with a tank top that I got at Comic-Con. So I went with that one because I thought it might be pretty good with it. It was the Avatar Last Airbender Kyoshi Warrior kind of style tank top. But as you can see, here's the backpack. The 332. You got the Ahsoka Clone Trooper thing there. Supposedly this comes off with buttons, I think. So it's like button on, and then it slides out from here. So you have to slide it in and out, and the buttons. Oh, now you're showing it right. So this, when I show the patch on, it comes off. It has buttons on the side, as you can see. Here's the strap for the button, and the button right here. You clip that on, and this helps stays on because it slides into here. If you don't want this, you then just pull this out, and it's like your own little patch. I think they say it's a breastplate. So like it has stuff here, so it allows you to just have this here while you go around. Or if you don't want to do that and just have it on your bag, you just put it back into the things. As you can see, they're not soft at all. Look like they would be, but they're not. And you just push them through. I probably just keep it on because I like using, I like having extra compartments, and then it also will just protect that area that's kind of there, you know. So you got that button, and you got that button. You got two like water bottle sides. Yes, I could do backpack reviews. I got two water bottle sides. And let's open this bad boy up. Inside, this is like your normal little compartment where you have pencils and stuff you need. There's some cards is what they say. Me, I probably put some candy in here, this compartment. And then you have one big compartment, which looks like these straps are there to help stop it a bit or hold it in. Or maybe not. Let's see. So here's the bigger compartment, which I'll probably put books and stuff in here because I have another bag I'm using right now, but I really want to use this one because it gives me more compartments to put stuff in. Right now I have like my candy and stuff in there, and it's like getting in the way. And then I also have an umbrella in there. But the last thing you have is the laptop, which hopefully will fit the one I plan on getting in the future sometime. I plan to get the ROG Flow X16 one of these days. Don't know fully when, but one of these days I will. But that's a quick little opinion of this backpack. Maybe one day I'll do a more in-depth one if y'all want, so you can see where I store everything at. But till then, we won't do one. But now to the joggers. So first time owning clothing-wise, these joggers are nice and soft. Look at that, the Wakanda joggers. Has the Black Panther logo, the nice little color. The back says, let it clear up. The back says Wakanda forever. And this is the shirt I want to wear with it, or tank top. The Kyoshi Crew. So this is one, Suki's voice actor came down for Comic-Con, and I ended up getting that from her since I love the Kyoshi Warriors. So I thought it'd be a pretty good combo. As you can see, not too bad, little mix up. Thought it might be a little bit more from the picture online, made it seem like the joggers are a bit different material, but not too bad. And then I thought this green was a little different online too, but oh well, can't complain. Got some joggers to wear now that are pretty stylish, And it could go with this because I was like, I don't want to wear my normal stuff because I have, you know me, on my videos I always wear close to the same stuff and I always match everything to certain things. I'm a person that like having sets and I don't like disrupting sets. I guess you could say it's an OCD of mine, but sometimes I get over it, like with my workout gear. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you all might check out that website, Heroes and Villains. I put a link down below to it. And see if there's anything y'all want. A lot of Star Wars, some Marvel stuff. Might be a jacket. Might get there in the future sometime. I'm not sure yet. They do. I think I have a sale going on right now for Memorial Day, but it's already gonna be over by the time I decide to pick. And this video comes out anyways. Probably next month before this. So yeah, Memorial Day. Recording this video, 5/25/2024. Take care, y'all. Peace.